What's up, food lovers? So, this episode is inspired by Game of Thrones because winter is coming. We're gonna be cooking Game of Thrones Dracarys Chicken. So, let's go get the ingredients. It's cold in here. Winter is coming.
You don't seem to understand the situation.
I understand that if any more words come pouring out your cunt mouth, I'm gonna have to eat every fucking chicken in this room.
So here we go, guys. We got the chicken here, all ready. Salt, pepper. Easy recipe, super crispy when it's finished. After this, we're gonna put it on the fire and Dracarys. All right. Here, take the chicken out. Put the breast on top. Get your dagger. Split it down the middle. Break the bone in half. Take your napkins. Make sure you dry it. Make it super dry. You don't want it to be wet. After you dry it, then we season with salt and pepper. That's it. Make sure don't be shy with the salt. Make it rain. Then pepper, season to taste. Then flip it over, do the same thing. Make it rain. This will make it crispy. Pepper. Game of Thrones Dracarys Chicken. All right. Now we'll put it on the grill. Ready to roll. Dracarys. So here we go, guys, the finished product. So we're gonna tear it in. So juicy, crunch, crispy. Delicious. Game of Thrones, Dracarys Chicken. So good, perfecto. Easy, simple, convenient, and fast. Very delicious. Well, guys, if you enjoyed the show, push that like button, push the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye. Dracarys. Bye.